What are you doing on the weekend of the 17th to the 19th of February 2023? The place to be is the NEC in Birmingham. The Great British Shooting Show has loads of thermal, night vision and more traditional hunting and shooting supplies from shops, manufacturers, distributors all over the world. Show director John Allison is up there and I got him to park his video camera on a packing case and tell us about it.
Nice to be reporting from the NEC. Behind us is our entrance 7 to the show, and in a couple of weeks' time, goodness me, it's going to be busy through here with the British Shooting Show. Exhibitors completely sold out. Shows have been phenomenal this year, and as for the ticket sales, amazing. We are back at looking ticket sales sort of pre-2019, before pandemic. Goodness me, there we go, pandemic. 2022 show was difficult enough putting that on, and we only had 5 months to do it. And here we are now, we've had a full year for preparation. It's been absolutely phenomenal.
You can see scenes from last year's show over the top of John talking there. One big thing he has managed to do is get a load of police constabularies to send their firearms licensing teams to the show to advise on and even process your variations and grants.
We have West Mercia, we have Warwickshire, we have Dorset, Devon, Cornwall. As we speak this morning, one of our colleagues is talking to Sussex and Surrey, and we've also got a few more a little bit further up country, which we'll update you a little bit later on. But there will certainly be an enormous presence from the firearms department, and they're going to be there answering your questions, and more importantly, if they are able to do it and you have all the correct paperwork, they're going to be able to do variations during the show. So wonderful news, wonderful news.
That's going to be a great boost for the gun trade, which is complaining about police firearms licensing failings ever since some constabularies closed their firearms licensing offices for COVID. That's not all. Airgun companies will be at the show in force. Brocock, recently rebranded as BRK, is one of them. And airgun retailer Crackshot, which is at the show for the first time, is running a prize draw. One lucky winner will get a full refund of their purchase from Crackshot made at the show. Here is James Head from Crackshot.
So you could buy a tin of pellets and get a refund on that. You could buy a setup like I've got in my hand here, and you could get a refund back of up to £1,500.
Thanks, James. There's loads more like that from other stand holders. What are we up to? We have our usual big stand. You can try and beat the likes of Childerley, Rowantree and reigning champion Ollie Williams on the Game Virtual Hunting Unit. The Fieldsports Channel gang will be on hand to meet and chat to, and it's your chance to poke Packham. He has not set a court date for us yet, but we're fairly sure that's where he wants to go. If you would like us to keep sticking our heads above the parapet in what is becoming an ongoing war on conservation woke, you can give Packham a poke by joining the Fieldsports Nation at the show. We will have fully recharged goodie bags to give away, not just goodie boxes. We'll be able to tell you what your membership money, £5 a month, pays for, and you will be able to tell us what we should go out and film. If there is one thing that annoys Chris Packham and his woke army, it's the noise we make about field sports. We are here for the people who live in the countryside, not the people who want to dictate how we live in the countryside.